Well, another day, another Russian train wagon model from Modimio. This one I was really excited about getting because I wanted to get something that was in this kind of like freight wagon style so I could measure the loading gauge approximately for Russian railways and possibly make scratch uh, building material from it, using scratch building material to make them scratch. Now, to as usual, you get the free magazine with the nice artwork on the cover. And here's a photograph of the prototype. It looks much more rustic than the model, but it, it's it's an interesting wagon. I can't really figure out what it is. It seems to be a combination of a the obligatory postcard, a combination of a wagon and a hopper or something. And one of the reasons I do like this magazine, even though I don't read Russian, so here it is being loaded. Now I'll show you why I think it's like a hopper. There's this is in the painting here. These guys here loading watermelons, I think it is, loading watermelons into the wagon, like in an agricultural scene. I really like this painting actually. And here's one here that looks like an antenna or something on the roof, and then some older styles. But let's just have a look at the wagon anyway, because I've seen those magazines before. Forgive me, I'm trying to do this at one hand here. Yep, it's like the other Modinio wagons, 64 tons. That's a pretty hefty load for something this size. It looks very much like an American boxcar with a rounded roof instead. Now here's what I was saying. There's these hatches on the roof that look like they're for loading tanks or something. And you have a walkway with a ladder leading up to it. So it's like a hopper, but then it has a door on the side which doesn't open. And so it's, it looks like a hopper here. And here on the illustration with the guy loading the watermelons, you can see there's the roof walk and the ladder there. So there's tanks or something, ventilation. And I don't know. So as usual, the trucks are fixed, the bogies are fixed. And now that I have this, I'm going to do this and the other one I have. I'm going to do the wheels and couplers all in one go. American type bolster trucks. And then you have all the Russian lettering like the CCCP. This would be a pretty easy one to kind of scratch build in, say, evergreen sheet styrene. I could take it down to my nearest hobby shop and, get, the styrene to do this and the corrugated styrene to do that or whatever, something similar. It wouldn't be too hard to make this, I don't think. There, it gives me an idea of the loading gauge. But anyway, that's the second one I've gotten now. And I have to say, this is the one I really like the most. It's nice and solid. Where's my... Oh, Modinio is hidden on the bottom this time. Yep, made in China. So, yeah, the latest Russian model I have. When I do all these, when I change all the trucks on these and get them running and cap couplers on them, I'll show you them going. It's a metal bottom. Okay, this still intrigues me. What are these hatches for? Like a tank inside, are there tanks inside? Is it refrigeration perhaps? Dropping ice? That's what it might be. There might be reefers dropping ice in to keep the produce, to keep the watermelons fresh. That's what that might be. They might be ice hatches. So it's not, rather than a mechanical reefer, it's an old-fashioned one that drop ice in. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just guessing. Anyway, there we go.